Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel. If you're new to my channel, this is where every week I share recipes of Chinese cuisine, which I created from the ingredients I find around where I live in the United States, or sometimes just with what I find in my kitchen. My goal is to recreate the authentic tastes using natural and organic ingredients as much as I can. Today, we're making a very homey and delicious soup with winter melon and shrimp. The recipe is very simple to follow, but the final product is amazingly tasty as the ingredients enhance and complement each other. They match perfectly. Can I just say they were born for each other? Enough said. Let's begin. The ingredients are shrimp peeled and deveined, a small bunch of white leaf parsley, and the winter melon. Skin and seeds removed. Cut the winter melon to small pieces. Set aside for use later. Cut the parsley into 1 centimeter long. Set aside as well. In a little bowl, add 2 teaspoons of starch with 1.5 tablespoons of water. Mix. Let's season the shrimp. Add salt. Give it a quick massage to keep the tenderness. Add cooking wine. Massage again. 1 teaspoon of starch. Massage. Set aside for use later. In a heated pot, add the winter melon with 1 tablespoon of oil. I highly recommend using clay pot for the dish. And then we stir fry. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, keep stirring. Oyster sauce. Mix well. Add about 2 cups of water. Boil for 2 minutes. And then add chicken base and the starch liquid. And boil for another 2 minutes. Gently add the shrimp in. Bring to a boil again and simmer for 1 minute. Add the parsley for decor. That's it. The soup is very light but tasty. The translucent winter melon mixed with the red shrimp, so tempting for the taste buds. All we need for a wonderful meal is to add a cup of fluffy rice. Enjoy. Well, good to have you. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks.